in this question, say in my previous video I have explained about the percentage uncertainty. So you can see this part 2. Okay, this one also I explained, right? So basically they are saying you to find the percentage uncertainty. So as I said to you, like here you can see, like formula for percentage uncertainty is uncertainty divided by the mean value and multiply by 100, right? Okay, so here in the like uncertainty is what we got the uncertainty, right? Is 0.5 percentage uncertainty is given. Now what you will do with this percentage uncertainty? Here always you will add. What you will do? You will add percentage uncertainty. Again I am saying you will add percentage uncertainty. So if there is power, you will just multiply with the power. Okay, now let's see another question. So suppose if there is a square root, what you will do? In my previous video, as I said, you like if there is a square, you will divide with 2. If there is a cube root, you will divide with 3, right? If there is power, you will multiply, right? So let's see one question. See in this question, now you have to make b as a subject. So you know how to make b subject, like you know how to arrange, like b is equal to the thing is like this. Okay, now you have to make b as a subject. So b will be divided by v like this, cube root. So you can see this is cube root, right? Cube root. So now you got the answer of what? You got the answer of v. This is the answer of v, right? This is the answer of v. And if they are saying you to calculate the value of v, then the next question to v, they will ask question from v only. Okay, now you got the value of v, the absolute uncertainty of v. So you know the formula, right? Absolute uncertainty formula is like this, is divide by 100, right? So it will be uncertainty, the formula is yes, absolute uncertainty is uncertainty multiply by actual value, maybe value, divide by 100. Here it is divide by 100. Okay, so now yes, if you arrange this, it's same, right? V is if you take this to other side, it will be read-in means main value, actual value. Okay, here read-in means, don't get confused, what does the word read-in means? Okay, some say actual value or the main value. Okay, it's same. Uncertainty. Now don't ask me silly question like why I in the formula it is here, right? Read-in is here, whatever. So it's same. If it is here, you are multiplying anyhow. Okay, divide by 100. Okay, it's same. So see here this thing. So now you got v, right? So now your formula is V is cube root. Okay, cube root of P and V is what? V, this is V square, right? Is P and B, right? So now what you will do, you have to stop here, stop here. Okay, so you can see this one, because why I'm saying to stop here. Now if you put this one, now you cannot do this square root, right? You cannot write like this. Okay, cube root, I will write, okay, percentage is 5 and this whatever I will do, and this percentage I will just plus it. Okay, plus 7, I will do cube root. In this way your answer will be wrong. Okay, the reason behind I'm saying you to stop here is like you cannot do like this, like you will just substitute the value and you will do like this. No. Okay, so what you will do is here, when it was power, you just multiply it with the 3. When it is cube root, you have to divide. When it is any root, square root, you have to divide with that number. So here P was, percentage of P was P is what? 5. So you will write 5. You have to plus, right? So you will write 5, you will write 7. So whatever you will get, this answer you what? 3. Okay, again I am repeating, this answer you will divide with, so that 12 you will divide with 3. The reason behind dividing with 3 is because this is cube. Okay, this is cube. Okay, now don't say me like you said me here when it is this is power, you have to multiply. So you are making V subject. When you will make V subject, this will come here and it will become cube root, right or wrong? Yes or no? So it will be cube root. Okay, when there is cube root, you have to answer, you have to divide by 3. Okay, because you are making V subject. Okay, if it was like this, like V was not subject or P was subject, so your answer will be like this, right? Your answer will be if suppose it was like P was subject, so your question will be like 3V. Now this is power, right? This is power now. Okay, so you can now, what you can do, 3 multiply by V, whatever the uncertainty of this. So in this way you can do this. Okay, but your question is now V, make the V subject, and V is having cube. So in order to remove this cube, I mean power 3, you have to make this one cube root. Okay, again I'm repeating. See here, if it was like this, make P subject, so you could have just multiply 3 because it is power. Now you have to make V subject. So in order to remove this power from V, you have to put the cube root, right? So if you put cube root, your thing will be whatever P plus B divided by 3. From where you are getting divided by 3? Because this is the cube root. Okay, this is for uncertainty. Okay, absolute uncertainty or whatever you say. Okay, now use the formula, and now you can find the, now you got the uncertainty. when you got the uncertainty, like here I got the uncertainty, now I can use this I got percentage uncertainty, now I can use this value to find absolute uncertainty using this formula. What is formula for absolute uncertainty? Is uncertainty which we got here, it means this is the total uncertainty of this, right? So we will put, so in order to get absolute uncertainty, you should know first percentage uncertainty. Okay, so absolute uncertainty we are putting here, and the divided by 100 and multiply by what? This actual value. So what is the value of B we got? That is 53, right? So we put 53 here. So it will be absolute uncertainty. So again I am repeating, to get absolute uncertainty you should know the total uncertainty. Learn this formula very well. Learn this formula very well and don't get confused. Okay, learn this formula very well, because with this formula you will solve next question. Okay, now here don't get confused again, and I'm saying okay. So now let me show you one. What is the thing? K. You have to make K subject. So here you are finding the value of K. Okay, this here you can see she make K subject and she found the value of A. And in next question obviously they will say find the absolute uncertainty of what? K. So to find absolute uncertainty, what you have to do? First find percentage uncertainty. Percentage uncertainty. Okay. So after getting uncertainty, you will find absolute uncertainty. Okay. Total uncertainty. First let us get. So this one, what is the formula? This whatever. So you can see with this formula here, let me write the formula. This is V square P divided by what? V square P divided by density. This is another P. Okay, density I mean. Okay, so this one, it means what? It will be power means what? It will be multiplied by 2. So these all will be plus, you know, P will be plus, this will be plus, this is down, it doesn't mean that it will be like divided. Okay, in uncertainty thing everything will be plus, so this one will go there like this P. Okay, so and here for V square it will be multiply with 2, this will be multiply with this, don't multiply this with this. Okay, you have to multiply because power is with V. Okay, now let's do it. For V it is 3, right? Yes or no? V it is 3, so 3 percentage plus whatever 2 4. Okay, P is 2 and this is 4, and this one is multiply with 2 because okay, so after multiplying this will be 6, this will be 2, and this will be 4, right? So 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so you got total is 12%. Okay, and here this one I solved here. Okay, don't get confused, this and also. So percentage uncertainty, so this one I will substitute here, I need it here because absolute uncertainty, this one divide by 100, whatever, this is the reading. Okay, reading means mean value, and this is the uncertainty, I mean total uncertainty, okay, whatever you say, total uncertainty we got here. And this is a reading or actual value, the main value. Okay, so we got 15 divided by 100 multiplied by actual value we got, that is 1.42. So you will get absolute uncertainty. This is for absolute uncertainty you will get here, and the value of k you will write here. Okay, so this question, again, the reason behind why she is multiplying with 2. Okay, and absolute uncertainty, I don't want to repeat this question again and again. After getting this one, this is the total uncertainty. You can say total uncertainty, you can say whatever. This is the percentage uncertainty, you can say anything. So for absolute uncertainty you will, this is divide by 100, and this is the reading you will get from here. I mean reading is not, okay, here she calculated the value of a, she calculated here, right? Reading is the value of a, right? So this one will be here, and this one will be here, right? 15. So you will get 15%, you will get absolute uncertainty. We write here first a value of n. Again same for this, there is nothing difference. You can see this is in decimal. So now we have to length the process. Lengthy process is like we have to write this thing. Okay, first change into percentage. Before, very easily they give you percentage. Okay, now you have to change this value to percentage, and you know how to change this to percentage, right? So first you will write, so see here, you will write okay, see here, so you will write like this, right? So percentage, I mean first what you will find, in order to, and that is very easy, right? You divide with 100, you write uncertain, not percentage, you are finding percentage uncertainty, and you multiply with what? Actual value or whatever. This can be here, or this is the only you have to remember. Okay, sorry, here is multiply with, in percentage uncertainty it is multiply with 100, right? With 100. Okay, sometimes for absolute uncertainty it's like divided with 100, but for the percentage uncertainty it is multiplied with 100. This thing only you have to remember, nothing else. Okay, so here you can see percentage uncertainty. So here we multiply with 100. Okay, here we write the actual value, and here it is uncertainty. Okay, so uncertainty is 1 is 0.02, actual value of this is 3.42, and multiply with 100, right? Then plus again. So this, after solving this, you get something in percentage, like, okay. And another one is mass. Mass is what? The mass is actual value 67, and uncertainty is 2 multiplied by 100. So let's see the formula. The reason behind seeing the formula, if there is power or something, because we have to multiply here. If there is power, we have to multiply here. Okay, let's see the formula. Here, see, in the radius it is 3 cube. Okay, so where is the radius? Radius is here, right? Diameter, the things. Okay, this thing you divide with 2 and make it half. Okay, and write the uncertainty. So this one was the radius 3.2. So in this one we have to multiply with what? 3. This thing we have to multiply with 3. Okay, this thing we will multiply with 3. The calculator, you will write this and this you will get. Okay, and this one, after solving this, you will get some answer, percentage, this. Okay, so this is very easy. So this one is also this is given in percentage. You don't have to do anything. It's just very simple. What they are saying, to make T as a subject, T as a subject, or what? E. Already the formula is given. E is what? A is K M and T square. So it means when you will change into percentage, it will be K plus M plus T, right? But here you can see T is having a square, so you have to multiply T with 2. Okay, simply write the percentage of this. Just T you have to multiply, right? Okay, K is 2.1. Okay, and this is 0.6 percentage. Okay, let me write percentage. Okay, and T is 1.5, and you have to multiply these with 2. Okay, and you will get answer, total or percentage, total percentage uncertainty. Total, the reason behind I'm saying total is like 3 unit or 3 things you are adding, so it will be total, right? If it was 1, so don't say okay, total of 1, you can say. Okay, so you will get total percentage uncertainty. So for the absolute uncertainty is easy. Whatever answer you will get, you will just put it here and divide by 3, and here to calculate this you have to find the value of V. Find the value of V. How to find the value of V? You know the values are given somewhere. I mean, value of E is not given. When you don't have to find it, so very easily you can write the value of V. Value of V you don't have to calculate, it's already there. So uncertainty you calculate it here. Alright, just simply find it. So these all questions are same, so it's not difficult at all. So again, this question is also same. You can see this is a square root, so you know what you have to do. When it is a square root, you have to divide with 2. This you have to divide with 2. Okay. Okay, I don't think so you have to this divide with 2, because you are finding K, you are making K subject, you are making K subject. So when you make K subject, this become 2 square. Okay, so to find uncertainty, now your formula is K is V square multiply by P divide by P, like this. So if you want to find total percentage uncertainty, it will be b plus b plus this. So here you will multiply with 2, right, because v is having power, right. Here when it was square root when v was the subject, but they are not saying you to find v, right. They are saying you to calculate k, and here they are saying you to find the uncertainty for k only. So to find the total uncertainty, so here you can see I got. So first find the total uncertainty. Who know this answer is right or wrong? First you find total uncertainty. Here I did, you can see, okay, 12 I got. So after finding this, I substitute this here and divide by 100, and 1.4 I got it from here, or 1.4 or 142, I don't know, I got it from here. And I got the absolute uncertainty. Okay, so same for this is very easy, all the questions are same. Okay, this is, you have to convert. So again it's in decimal, so this question is October number or May, June, I don't know, this is little bit. This is in millimeter and this is in centimeter. First convert it to okay, then do the next question. Okay, see here, now you have to find the density. Now formula is m d square multiplied by because if there is a square root you have to divide with 2, if there is power you have to see here. So m, okay, m d, I mean plus, this will be what, I mean this will be like this, d is equal to m uncertainty plus d plus l, right. So with d you know is power, that's why we'll multiply with 2. Okay, and if it is in decimal we have to do this long process, multiply with 100, write the actual value, then divide with these. This all long process you have to do. This is you can see this is 0.1, okay, 0.38, okay, this is 0.1, or else you can do this thing, okay, change this and do it 2.5, you can write this also, 0. 0. Oh, okay, sorry, I did not convert this value uncertainty into this, but I have converted this thing into its value, like 0.38 uncertainty, it doesn't matter if you don't convert also, but this thing you should convert. Okay, so answer again, I'm repeating, uncertainty value I did not convert, I convert this value, okay, in order to find the density. Okay, so because I have to write here down, this is 25, this okay, don't write this thing 10 raised to minus 2, you don't have to write 10 raised to minus 8, just write this value. Okay, So these all questions are same. See here, this percentage is given, so it's very easy. When percentage are given, simply you have to add everything. So if there is power, you multiply with that. And if you get percentage uncertainty, and it's very easy to find absolute uncertainty. Same for this also. This question, here you are finding V. So here you can see you are finding V in this question, so don't get confused. So your this will be like this, right? Cube root. So here, when you have cube root, you have to do P plus V, and whatever answer you are getting, you have to divide with 3, right? For the percentage uncertainty, right? Because you have to find here what? VB, I mean not B, okay, sorry, V. This is V. You have to make V as a subject, so you know how to find percentage uncertainty. You need for this formula, okay? Now don't make mistake. The thing I taught you in the previous chapter, use your own mind, okay? Use your mind. Now don't go and say me, okay, maybe she wrote here something wrong. Okay, I might wrong, because I thought like this is percentage uncertainty, but it is I mean it is decimal, but it's not decimal. This is percentage, is already given, so it's so easy. Okay, I have just copied and did this and do it. So all questions are same, okay? So see here, these are given in decimal, okay? Then you have to write in this way. Uncertainty divided by value, multiply by 100 plus this, okay? Uncertainty divided by multiply 100, and power because it was power 2, that's why I multiply with 2. And if you get the percentage uncertainty, you know what you have to do. You have to just substitute here and get the absolute uncertainty. So everything is very easy here now. I hope I hope you can solve all the question.